Okay, now we're going to make garlic fried rice 1, Teppanyaki style, in my Japanese Faves series. We're going to start with 2 cups of day-old or a couple-day-old rice that's been in the fridge. And after it's been in the fridge for a while and it's day-old, you'll start to get clumps like this, okay? So what we want to do is we want to break up any clumps in the rice. Okay, now we're going to melt the butter on our flat top, okay? And that's going to melt really fast. Now we're doing this on a flat top because that's how it would be done in a teppanyaki restaurant in Japan. Now, I'll probably do another lesson at some point on doing stir-fried rice in a wok, but we're doing it teppanyaki style tonight on the flat top. Okay? All right, now we're going to add our rice, and it doesn't take long to cook this, okay? So we're going to just get the butter on it, move it around, get the rice well coated. The teppanyaki chefs are very neat, and they do this a whole lot more than I do. So if you see a video of that, or if you see it in a Japanese restaurant, or if you see it in Japan, they're more impressive than I am, okay? Okay, now what we want to do is put the last part of the butter into the center here, into the well that we've made, and then we're going to add the garlic to that, okay? Now remember, garlic burns fast and easy, okay? So what we want to do is get it coated with the butter and keep it moving around so it doesn't burn on the flat top, okay? And once that's gotten a little bit of heat and it's been mixed in well with the butter, then we're going to start stir frying again. All right, now we're going to add the shoyu, Japanese soy sauce, okay? We're gonna just mix it, stir fry it just to mix it, okay? Now we're gonna add the scallions. And a couple twists of black pepper. Then we're going to stir fry this, mix it, and then we're going to take it off the heat. So this whole process only takes a few minutes. Now there's a lot more things that you can put in fried rice. A lot of people put egg in there, a lot of people put vegetables in there, and we'll do that in a different lesson. But for this garlic fried rice, which is teppanyaki style, keeping it very simple. Okay, that's it. We're taking it off the heat. Okay, that is garlic fried rice Teppanyaki style. You can see photos of the rice at my Instagram, which is @Chef's Apprentice, Cook Like a Pro. Please remember to subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.